Buying life insurance can feel like trying to navigate a maze. So many choices, so much information, but it doesn't have to be that way.
At Ashley Insurance Agency, we help make the process simple, guiding you every step of the way.
Step 1. Understand your why. Are you protecting your family's future, covering final expenses, or replacing income? Knowing your goal helps determine the right amount and type of coverage.
Step 2. Explore your options. Term life offers affordable coverage for a set period, while whole life provides lifelong protection and potential cash value.
Step 3. Get personalized quotes and apply. We'll walk you through the application, answer your questions, and make it easy.
Step 4. Review your policy and stay in touch to make updates as life changes.
Buying life insurance doesn't have to be confusing. Read our full guide for more details, then start with a simple, friendly conversation. Contact Ashley Insurance Agency today. We're here to help.
Thanks so much for watching. If you'd like to learn more, check out our other videos right here, or click the link below to read the full blog post we mentioned today. And if you're ready to talk about protecting your family's future, you'll also find a link in the description to schedule a time to chat with us at Ashley Insurance Agency.